The first thing that I'm going to do is shape her nails up. I'm going to file the free edge and go in and remove the dead skin around her cuticle area and etch the nail bed surface. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every week. And if you are only interested in nail videos, make sure you check out my nail tutorial playlist. After I make sure that her nail plate is etched up so that the acrylic will adhere, I'm going to fit her for the tips. When fitting for your tips, you want to make sure that they match up from side wall to side wall. And I just go in with each one, making sure that they all fit. Sometimes I go from hand to hand, back and forth, just testing out different tips until all 10 of her fingers are applied. I purchased these tips from eBay or Amazon, and I actually like them. I really haven't used them a lot because I like to do sculpted nails on myself. So these actually worked out perfectly for the look that she was going for. She wanted long nails and she wanted like a soft pink color, which is why I pulled that polish out right there. But I decided to use the Mia Secret Cover Pink, and she liked that even better. It has that nice shimmery glitter in it as well. So we just applied the Cover Pink and a clear top coat on top, and she loved it. So here I'm just shaping the nails into the coffin shape. And I like to etch the top surface of the nail tip as well. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I prefer to do it this way. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure that you like and share it. If you enjoy this long nail tutorial, please make sure you comment about that below. I normally don't do nails this long, so let me know if you want to see more long nails or more short nails. Just let me know what you all would like to see. After I etch the tip, I go in with my nail dehydrator and my nail primer. So on all of her nails, first I'm going to apply Mia Secret Clear Acrylic on her natural nail. And then after I do that on all 10, I'm going to go in with the Mia Secret Cover Pink Acrylic on all of her fingernails. The Mia Secret Cover Pink, you can put that on your natural nail, but because I have a big container of the clear, I decided to just go in with the clear first to even out the nail surface and then apply the Cover Pink as my color. I really like using the Mia Secret acrylic line. If you all haven't noticed, it's very affordable and it's really good to work with. So of course I'm going to keep using it. I asked in my last video for you all to give me suggestions on any other Mia Secret products that you all have tried. So please make sure that you do that below. Now I'm going in with the Mia Secret Cover Pink acrylic and just applying this along the whole nail. And because she wanted a really soft pink, I didn't really apply a whole lot. My intentions was to apply a thin layer of the Cover Pink and then go over it with the clear acrylic again to build strength. But I ended up just applying the Mia Secret Cover Pink instead of going back into the clear, and I just went back and forth around her hand until I got the opacity that I wanted with the Cover Pink. Make sure that you all subscribe and please let me know what you all would like to see in the comments. I am making these videos for you all. Every time I do things, I try to film it so that I can make sure I have some great content for you all. But make sure that you let me know what you want to see. If you want me to use this color or that color, if you want me to try this method or whatever you want to see, please let me know. After doing her nails using these tips, I kind of want to try them on myself. I really liked how everything turned out. after all of the acrylic has set, I'm going to go in with my favorite zebra file and file, buff, and shape the nails. And these are the beautiful finished results.